Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. A quick update related to workflows and just a couple of new options that you can see here is related to Google Sheets under workflows. You now have the option to create multiple spreadsheet rows and also update multiple spreadsheet rows. So obviously the first thing you would need to have a connected Google account, right? Just to under integrations and settings, and also you need to have a spreadsheet, Google Sheet like this one, for example, right? In said account, and then you can set up the workflow. As for the trigger, let's get to that after this. So first, let's set up the action, which would be Google Sheets. The action, let's say one of these two, the new ones, create multiple spreadsheet rows. You choose the account, which is connected, right? And select the drive, which is my drive. Spreadsheet, there's several spreadsheets, obviously, so I'll select this one, and the worksheet under it, right, which is this at the bottom. You can have several, right? So that's going to be, you select that over here as the one of the last things. And yeah, starting column, name, these are these ones. So I'm going to select name, email, phone number, address. Those are the ones that need to be filled in, right, automatically. And up to address. So first four columns. And here you can see that you can fill out what the responding fields are, which in this case column, first name, and then here you can select email and then phone number, address, right? The custom values. And this all gets filled out automatically when you have some sort of a incoming data, whether it's webhooks, whether it's forums, surveys, like there's different types of scenarios out there when it comes to inbound contact information, right? And you can have a spreadsheet that is filled out automatically. And yeah, the purpose would be some sort of an external sheet for a team member to pass on or keep track of. Maybe, I don't know, like a new sort of client list of warm leads or whatever the business specifics are. Maybe some sort of a list backup. There's plenty of ways there's basically plenty of ways to kind of, and reasons to take your data out to Google Spreadsheets. So yeah, definitely go check it out. This is a really nifty function. And so yeah, and if you have any questions, make sure to, in the back end, exit the workflows, obviously. Click the bubble below for 24/7 chat support. And also we have VIP support for one-on-one calls for VIP clients. You can use that option as well whenever you have any larger questions, more than one or two questions, you need more personal approach to a bigger problem. So yeah, make sure to utilize those. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.